Hey, ladies, how are you? Madeline
I'm doing pretty good.
and we made it, huh? Just about. We're just about here. I'm gonna see if you ladies can unmute yourselves. You can unmute yourselves. Oh, you're in a place where you can't talk. Okay, good. Okay, sorry, Madeline. All right. So are you working on your final project, Morgan, Madeline?
I have been working on it, not as much as I've liked because I had a lot of finals due during the first half of the week, but I've been working on it today and yesterday.
Okay, great. Great, great, great. Yeah, I mean, I've owned, yeah, and I see that Madeline says that, she's been working on it as well. Fantastic. I mean, I know it's due this Sunday. I know that I've given you guys a couple maybe extra days to do it, but the sooner you can, the better it's going to be because I've got to go the grades in as well. But as I see, you guys have done really well. So, you know, I mean, what do you think about the course? Have you guys had I know there's a lot of stuff going on, a lot of things we had to do. Um, did you guys have at least a little bit of fun?
I think so, yeah. It was fun to figure out how things worked, and I think the Zybooks worked pretty well.
Yeah, yeah, I think so too. At least to give you the basics and things like that. And then, we could always I like having these live meetings or office meetings or course meetings at the end of the week, just in case anybody has any kind of a, question, a concern, something they couldn't get over. I wish definitely Madeline says definitely the design elements were my favorite part to learn about it. And I learned a lot of basic information, which, right, fantastic. I'm glad. I'm glad. The whole point is to make a subject that may not have been familiar to a lot of you to make it so that it is familiar, just in case if you had to do a quick website, you had to do something or you had to show something for work or anything like that, that you can do it. You remember the course. Maybe you can go back to the course and look at something that you've done, you did in the past and say, okay, I don't remember, this could be a year from now. Something that I didn't do, that I need to do, let's say for a job interview or something, and you at least know the basics. This course is about at least getting you through the basics so that you know at least how to create one, what website, um, at least the basics, what they entail, what JavaScript looks like, um, how to fashion the site so that they work on multiple platforms, all that good stuff. The next semester of this would really, really heavily get into the programming, the development, how to use a web server, all that kind of stuff. So, it would get a lot more programming development detailed. So this was hopefully you had fun. It was more design, getting things together, but not only getting them together, but also, making them look pretty, look nice, look like a professional site. So hopefully you ladies I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys have. So whenever you get it in there, I'll take it and I'll grade it and we'll go there. Go from there. Do you have any questions for me, Morgan? Anything at all?
I can't think of any questions. No.
Okay, good. That's a good thing. How about you, Madeline? No, she says, I don't have any either. She's writing there. Okay, fantastic. Um, well, I mean, you ladies can go. I'm gonna hang out here for a little while. Again, that there are no exams. You took the last exam. I think you both did, correct? You both took the last exam.
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. And I'm just gonna check right now. And you both did very well. You both did really, really well. So it's just the last project, and then I guess you guys are done. You're done. And then it's hopefully you won't be having any other classes and you can enjoy your summer. Right. All
Thank
right.
you.
You ladies can
It's been
go.
a
Uh-huh.
great
Yeah.
class. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was great having you as well. Um, and you ladies can head out, and then I'm looking forward to seeing your project. Try to get it in by this Sunday so I can grade it. All right.
Will do.
All right. Have a good one.
You too. Bye.
Bye. All right. Anyone else uh for I guess for posterity? Um, if you're still working on Zybook assignments and you're doing anything older than the last three assignments, because that's really all I'm grading is just the last three assignments. I'm just looking to see what anybody did and then transferring the grades over to Moodle. If you did anything else, let me know. Let me know by this Sunday so that I can go in and make sure you get graded for the effort that you did. Um, so you should have definitely completed the last exam. Unfortunately, there were one or two of you that did not do the exam. And then you've got your final development webpage. So make sure you get those done so that you could get those final points for your GPA. You don't want to leave those points. You may have kind of probably figured out, I've already passed the class, but you never know. This could be uh, an extra grade level. Because the final web development is the project is worth 200 points, and that can definitely get you up, at least one more grade level, depending on where you are. So don't leave those points behind. Go in and get those done by this Sunday. Um, if you do need an extra day or two, you need to let me know. Please contact me via email Sunday and say I need an extra day or two, but definitely try to get those in by Sunday. So most everybody got most everything else done, and I've graded most everything. The only thing, of course, only one person handed in a final web page project. So hopefully everybody will get those done, and I can get those grades in. All right, it's 2:40. There's no one else in the class. It's been amazing having you guys. Again, I will be available via email if you need me. If there's a question, um, try to get your projects done with Bootstrap in it. It's just a lot easier to manage the flex frames so that you can resize the browser and everything kind of flexes in it. Try to get most of your styling commands out of the page and onto your style sheets. That counts for a lot. Um, get those JavaScript scripts in there. At least do the JavaScript for your forms so that it at least checks the entries for what people are typing in for the forms. It does some general checking. All of that's out there. A lot of that code is available out there. I don't mind if you cut and paste something to help you. That's okay, as long as you don't do the whole project out there. So definitely try to get all that in. Don't forget your documentation. Do a nice Word doc and let me know what's going on with the final project, what you thought, what are the features that it has so that I can take a look at it and test it out. Make sure if you can get the search functionality working, that counts for a lot also in this project. So again, thank you for attending the courses and thank you for participating. Take care.